Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to post in bulk in Meta Business Suite. If you have created a lot of content or maybe you want the content to be scheduled for a time period, then I'll show you how easily you can do it. So once you open your Meta Business Suite, you can see we have this more option. Once you click onto it, you will see this option which is the bulk post. Simply click onto this. Either you can post the videos or the reels, so it's up to you whatever you choose. Then just simply upload from your system. Once the reels get uploaded, then we have to simply add their titles. You can add any sort of captions or the titles as per your choice, or whatever is in the video or related to video. You can add the description, hashtags, whatever you want for every video. If you have created the content in bulk, then you also may have the captions ready, so you can just simply do copy paste. Then you can scheduleize as per your need. Let's say you have created 50 videos, so you may not post all the videos at once. You can just simply scheduleize whenever you would like them to be posted on Facebook or maybe somewhere else. So it's up to you. There's time, there's date and day. You can just simply select it whatever your option prefer. So for every post you have to do it separately, because every post has its own unique schedule, so you have to simply set it. If you want the videos to be posted at same time, then you can just simply set their time like that. Then from each video you can simply select the thumbnail as per your choice, or if you want to upload it from your system or mobile, you can also do it. And after that it will be set. And if you want the editing, you can also do it. And there are other options a little bit like allow remixing and other stuff. You can manage as per your choice. And once you're done, you can just simply click on this option, and after that they will be saved and will be posted based on what schedule you have set for them. So that's how you can post in bulk on Business Meta Suite. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.